Intuition, the chart magician, make sure to type bingo bango in the chat. Domination, elevation, initiation, mitigation, continuation, summaration, revelation, notification, prognification, nullification, nullification, modification, fortification, unification, purification, replication, duplication, overstimulation, annihilation, accumulation, accumulation, continuation, 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 elevation, domination, mitigation, initiation, transformation, detonation, celebration, elevation, illumination, liberation, concentration, orchestration, organization, manifestation, observation, confirmation, acceleration, articulation, regulation, fluctuation, circulation, vegetation, legislation, orchestration, oscillation, penetration, constellation, motivation, revitalization, synchronization, modernization, visualization, operation, calibration, reverberation, meditation, levitation, infiltration, escalation, accumulation, continuation, initiation, mitigation, transformation, radiation, domination, elevation, celebration, vibration, liberation, illumination, continuation, continuation, elevation, levelation, total detonation, generation, transformation.
That's right, guys. Domination. Let's go. Let's dominate the market. Here we go. In 3, 2, and a 1. A bingo, bango, bingo, and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. So let's make this money right now. We're at 1.4 speed on our steps. I'm thinking about making this a quick stream. I'm really, really tired. I want to take a nap at 6. I was like, man, I'm probably not going to wake up till tomorrow. So let's see if we can crank it up. I'm going to crank it up. I've never gone this fast. So if I pass out, it's okay. If I fall, it's okay. I'll take the camera with me. We'll see. Bingo bango. So right now we're at 1.4. I'm hoping this is a quick stream. And let's go. 1.6. 1.8. 2. Holy smokes. We're going fast today. So hopefully it's a quick stream. Can I last? I don't know. We're going to find out together. I've never gone 2. We just increased it from 1.2 to 1.4. We've been doing that for a while, a couple days. Now we're at 2. I don't know if I can last. Hopefully I don't pass out. All right, Crypto Bubbles. We're going to say hi to the chat in just a second. Crypto Bubbles on the daily. Morning. M is up 6.3%. Ultima 6.3. Night killing it 54.5. Did I get in? No thanks. No thanks. Let's see here. Liberation, concentration, magnification, stimulation, procrastination, devastation, a communication. Let's see here. Sleepy Hollow, what's up, man? Sleepy Hollow says Bitcoin, ETH, Link, Tau, Ali, Ondo, Arrow, my crypto bags. Very nice. And then you got stocks, even split portfolio. 62% stable waiting. Dude, you're a beast, man. Absolute beast. Let's see here. Bingos and mangoes. You're in San Antonio? Dude! That's my hometown. Let me see if I read that right. Thanks. My man. Dude, I was San Antonio. Oh man, that's my hometown, dude. I miss it. I miss it so much. I got duped to come over here to Georgia, but my ex-boss said I was gonna be a millionaire, take over the company. I moved up in ranks. I was number 2. Everybody, the lead admin, everybody had to answer to me, blah, blah. I'd communicate the stuff to the boss man and everything but the pay. But he was one of those rich guys that just dangled the carrot. And I finally caught on, called him out on it, and things went south. But dude, I love San Antonio. I miss it. Yeah, I was there all my life, really. Let's see here. Are you more bullish or bearish at the moment? I say bullish. For us to go up. But we're going to go over that in just a second. We got JR in the chat. What's going on? Appreciate the man being here. I'm going to 2.0 on the speed. I've never gone this fast before. I want this to be a fast stream. End it quick. So I'm get my steps in. Who knows? Let's see if we can go like 30 minutes. Let's see. All right. Hourly. Does it mean Bitcoin's going down? Probably. We'll find out in just a moment. Refresh the page. So if I pass out, it's all good. Hopefully I can take the camera with me and you can see me on the floor. Right now, crypto 29. Going up 3 points. Let's go. Moon mission. Let's refresh this page. I've only gone 1.4 on the speed. And we went from a 1.4. We skipped 1.6. We skipped 1.8. Went straight to the 2. Let's come over here. 0.6. And heat map. We have more liquidations to the downside. Let's see here. 22.72 million. Sitting at 90.175. Really close to it. We might get it. We got Wix5 in the house. About to buy night. At all-time high. Let's go. Lightning speed. Let's go. Yeah, that's crazy. We have some really nice liquidations to the upside. As we come down, liquidations are created to the upside. People are buying, shorting, putting their stop losses here. And that's what's going on. As price goes up, liquidation to the downside. Because as people are buying, longing, they're putting their stops underneath the wicks and the bodies. And that's how it's created. Let's go 12 hour. Looks the same. Really nice. Liquidations building to the upside. 93.331. Looks like a really good area. I'm gonna attempt to take off my jacket at full speed. And I did it. I think I was gonna be able to. All right. Let's see here. 12 hour. Looks pretty good. You know, if it bounced up now, that's fine. Pretty high chance that it might just come down here and take this 19.71 million at 89.952. We'll see. Let's go to the 3-day. On the 3-day, holy smokes! Look at all these liquidations. Man, 48.28 million at 89. This is the level that I was talking about, what, a week ago? There was some really nice liquidations at 90. I was like, man, the nice retracement for the entire move would be nice. $4.99. That donation's gonna go to the oxygen mask, like in the airplanes. And you're gonna see a oxygen mask gonna come down. Okay. But yeah, I was talking about 89. Let's go. Thank you, Alexander G. You're the best. 62 million. Sitting at 89.032. This looks really, really good to take. The only problem is that it's breaking this low. We're gonna go over that in just a second. Let's look at Clash. Not looking good. Still not looking good. A lot of dry air. Throat dry. All right. We got West in the house. West. We went from 1.4 speed. Skip the 1.6. Skip the 1.8. We're at 2. We're going. We're going. Oh, Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin made a video for my VIP group. It was about 2.5 minute video. For the Discord, it's about a 40-second video. Price was here. Well, first, for my VIP group, I made a video up here. And we came up to this level. Here, we're talking about it. Where the price might come. I had another one. But I hit it just because I was trading. And that line was confusing me. Price was here. And this was yesterday. I'm thinking, we may come up to come down. This is my plan A to bounce up. What we might do if we go up from here, again, I don't know. If we go up, possibly into our zone, then come down. And from here, it just depends. Are we gonna bounce to 382, 0.15, continue up? We don't know, we gotta wait. Good Lord. This speed 2.0, man, it warming me up real quick. It was really cold here. Now I'm pretty warm. So the price did come up. When the price was here, I notified my group, my VIP. I said, guys, we could do a short. It's too risky in my opinion. Could we be catching the top? Sure. Could we brag on X, how we're the best, and how blah, blah, blah? Sure. Too risky due to the fact that we have that FOMO. That FOMO can continue making this go up. We've seen that with Pro. We've seen that with all these other coins where the price has a high chance of pulling back, and it doesn't. If it does pull back, pulls back maybe to the 1, 2, 3 on the fib retracement instead of all the way down to the 3.5, 382. And I actually have this pulled from top to bottom because I was looking for the rollover. So I'll give you a heads up. Anyway, I notified my group here. I was like, it's too risky. You know, maybe on a 3 minute, we could potentially enter on the break of a pivot. And it didn't even pivot until it broke down here. So once it breaks this, woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. I don't like doing videos like this, but this is how I trade. Break at this level, if you wanted to. You could short, but I didn't want to because let's take this off. Let's draw it for the retracement. Do it from here. 15-minute time frame. A little bit. Oh man. Sleep. Yo, you're not thinking straight. Because I'm trying to walk straight. Walking very difficult right now. So this is on the log scale. I don't know how to take this off. I don't want it on the log. I got it on the chart. Regular. I think I have to take it off that other chart. Silver. I don't know if I can take it off on all of them. That's gonna. Gonna suck. Just say it, Joe. This was the first one that I did it on. No, I can't do it. I don't know how to take it off. If y'all know how, let me know. Ask ChatGPT. How do you take it off? I'm trying to take off the it's grayed out. I can't take it off. Fib levels based off a log. This is on regular, it's not log. I did have a chart on log that I used it, but I don't know how to take it off or to uncheck it on a regular chart. But anyway, pull back to 3, 2, looking for a bounce. Then coming up, we got Dano Crypto in the house. What's up, buddy? I do the treadmill, and normally I go 1.2 speed. Joe, we already heard the story so many times. I'm just saying this in case I pass out. We skipped the 1.4. No, we went on the last stream 1.4. This stream, we skipped the 1.6, skipped the 1.8. We went straight to 2. Let's go. Let's see if I can pass out. Joe, that's not a good goal. Here's my goal, and I'll stick to it. Here. Let's see here. I thought this was Jason Casper for a second. That's funny. Dude's crazy in shape. And he's living the dream. Farm, eating off the land, making money trading. He's crazy. Ow, with the motivation. 225 by 2026. Let's freaking go. Dude, that'd be amazing. I need to start lifting weights to lose weight. Right now, I'm doing the treadmill, not so much to lose weight, but it's happening. But I'm doing the treadmill just so I don't gain more weight. On average, I gain 20 pounds a year. On average. Because all I do is sit down. But now I'm working. So I'm moving, I'm picking up boxes. It's good. All right, back to this. Here's where coulda, shoulda, woulda. Look at this, but I wouldn't want to enter it because I'm thinking we're gonna bounce really quick. Nope, came all the way down. And then I made a video in reference to if we broke this box, we're looking potentially come down here-ish, maybe a little bit lower, to come up, get rejected, break the level, then I would short. This move right here, I wouldn't short this, not even close. But Joe, you can continue coming down, yeah. But the further it goes down without a bounce, the higher likelihood that bounce is gonna happen. So give you a heads up. Fibonacci, treadmill, reach, trace man, speed baby. Let's go. Let's go. Guys are funny. But right now Bitcoin's coming down. Now I didn't post it in the VIP group, but I thought, where? Here. Let's zoom in. I thought we were gonna bounce here. Before my confirmation, I was like, you know what? Let me do a risky trade because it didn't break the high. And we were underneath the VWAP, I think on the 15 and the 3 minute. But the VWAP was way up here. Like, man, looks like we're gonna bounce. Be really great if we at least went to the VWAP. So I entered along, came down. Oh crap. Then started coming up. Okay, more than likely we're bouncing off of this zone like we've done before. Added to my line. Came down. Oh crap, man. Liquidation was somewhere down here. I said, man, let me put my stop loss kind of tight because I had another entry down here. I was like, let me put my stop loss out here. Sure enough, starts going up. Still in the negative. Not as much though. No. But I'd rather take a loss than getting liquidated. So I did. So because I got my stop loss, I'm expecting to go up now. So we'll see. Any coins y'all want to do? Again, I'm expecting this to be a short stream. Very tired. But if we get coins, then of course I stay on. It's just total. It's back. Total. Still in this bear flag that was pointed out to us, which is also a rising wedge. Price was here. Price, if it breaks underneath and starts the bearish momentum of this against total, if we bounce off of this box or zone and come up, get rejected off of the trend line, come down, come up again, we're creating an inverse head and shoulders. Who was it today? I was looking at somebody today, and then we're talking about patterns. And they're like, well, if this pattern doesn't play out, we may get this other pattern. And I'm like, you just proved my point. Like for pattern traders, you will continue to look for a pattern until it works. And if the pattern gets invalidated, well, then you just wait for another pattern to form. Instead of, here's the level we need to break. Keep it simple. Here's the level we need to break. Let's put this in a different color. Blue. That's it. Need to break that level. But Joe, we're still in the rising wedge. Sure. So that we need to break. Let's see here. I'm gonna take this off. I have like 30 charts up here. Aerodrome Finance. We're looking at this one yesterday. Not looking good. I think people will run to long it. They're not looking good. It may come up, and it did. To come down. Possibly keep on coming down. And get this area of liquidation. It's about 6.5%, 7% move. Came right for it. Now, what could happen, again, I don't know, but what could happen, if we do come up, we may come up to here, continue coming down. That's what we might do. Move that over. So let's close this one out. Well, save it. Silver, we actually went up from yesterday. And silver is on a mission. We went up almost 2%. Good Lord. It's a lot for crypto. I mean, for silver, gold, all the fun stuff. We'd like to see a retracement. We'll see. But for gold and silver, retracements to the 382 higher time frame, weekly. Use a log scale. Well, I don't know if you want to use a log scale because then you're going to have the same problem as me. Not sure if anybody Googled it yet. But now I can't use my favorite tracement tool because I don't know if it's accurate or not. So let's go ahead and get this one out. Hondo here. People were asking about it. Like, I don't know. We're right underneath the resistance. Right here. We might come down, and we did, to maybe come up, but we're right underneath this box. Could you enter right now? Sure. Or back then, yes, 8% ago. Sure, or whatever percentage that was. However, we're right underneath this resistance. So what I do is I trade safer. So once it breaks in here, enters this zone, we could enter. It's still aggressive because we're in this really nice resistance area. Once we break above this, then I think we're in good shape. But that's 30% away. Do you want to wait 30%? For me, I would enter here and then have my target, first target, underneath the resistance. So let's get rid of this one. Save it. Gold. We talked about. For gold. That's gold going up. Jeez. Gold's actually come down a little bit. But still. It's doing nuts. It's going nuts. Save it. Bitcoin. This one is the one I trade on. Oh, our target hit. Our target hit, and then we got stopped out. So congrats to everybody who took the trade. Blah blah blah. But this was a this was a setup that was given on a live stream. I wasn't following it, but here we're looking really bad. Here had the opportunity to roll over, stop us out. Instead, first target hit. Then, because it moved up so much, I would have had this. Maybe put it under here. So our stop loss would have been underneath this zone. So we would have still lost, but not as much if I was watching it. I wasn't. Next one, virtuals. So virtuals, what a setup that was provided to us. I was like, I don't know. Excuse me. I need the alert to go off. 4-hour candle close. Would I have entered? Yes, I would have. I would have entered, came back in here, a little worrisome, but this is a perfect bounce. Comes up, I move my stop loss right here. Here's where I would have my stop loss. Wherever it was at, I would have moved it up here because I don't want to break in this low. Breaks this low, we could come to the middle of this range, come up, break the middle, come all the way down to the bottom. So my stop loss would have been moved really tight, and I've been stopped out. So now, when I do a short, I mean, this one moves pretty quick. From here, it's already moved 11%. I would like to see it come up, maybe here, come down. Then we could enter this trade once it breaks that level, which is roughly, wait for it, 0.8084. But it has to come up first. If it breaks it and still coming down, I don't enter. I have to wait. Everybody's leaving. It's okay. We got like 5 more minutes. And it's gonna be a quick stream. Man, I haven't burned any calories. Feels like I have. Moondag. We entered this one. I got stopped out real quick. It's okay. We're having to catch the FOMO, continuation of the FOMO. XPL was given to us here. I said, no, needs to break this level. And this was done prior to the price action. Price action went right to the level, coming down. It dropped 11%. Darn it. It dropped 11% more from almost 12% from when we start looking at it. So this one, Hyperliquid. I love Hyperliquid. This one we made some nice gains on. Our first target actually hit, so at 22%. Went for stop loss into slight profit, and it just came down. Right now, a lot of coins are looking like this. Not too healthy at the moment. Top cat needs to break above 0.1119. So look at it. Until then, not looking at it. CAS doing good. We don't want to break in this level. So CAS actually looks good for a short. We're in the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1. We broke this level. We missed the move. Dang it. Came down here, broke below our level. Shot up out of nowhere. Came down. This is the level we need to break. Then it became this level. Dang it. Missed it. I'm looking for potentially price to come up. Maybe here. Trying to see. Kind of doing this blind right now. I got so much drawings. I guess this looks alright. 1 hour. So you could ladder into this one. Let's say 25% here. Be aggressive. 25% once it starts rolling over. And then if this becomes a level or it pivots, then we can have a safer entry right here. So CAS I will be looking at. So yeah, we continue to drop people. It's all right. Pump, we need to go above this zone. 0.003404, 0.003272, or whatever the numbers are. Zcash, man, Zcash was doing good. It's retracing. Zcash may be another one to be looking at for Zcash for a long. Sui, not looking good too. All right, guys, well, that's it for me. Not too much chat going on right now. It's all good. And we went to the speed of 2. Pretty amazing. 31 minutes. So I'll consider that my hour of walking. That'll be good. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you very much. Let's go to Alex O. I'm sure he's streaming right now. Over here. Like this one. Oh, wait, is this one? Let's go over here. So here's this customization. This is how you redirect. Alex O Crypto. And trade intuition raid if you could. Let's bring our 7 people over and have a good time. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, as always, let's make this money and get our steps in. And I'm gonna try to find the off button. Where is the off button? Oh, nope, that's not it. Oh, here it is.